In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Base Network on MetaMask. First, you need to open MetaMask. On your device, look for the MetaMask icon. If you're using a browser extension, it will be in your toolbar. If you're on mobile, find the app on your home screen. Once you click or tap the icon, MetaMask will load and you will see your wallet interface. This is crucial because it gives you access to all your cryptocurrencies and networks. Once you're in, you'll be ready to make the necessary changes to set up the base network. Next, open the Networks menu. In the MetaMask interface, you will notice your current network displayed at the top. Click on that drop-down menu to reveal additional options. This step is essential because it allows you to navigate the different networks available. You will see a list of networks that you can select from. This menu is your gateway to adding new networks like Base. Take your time to familiarize yourself with this feature, as it is a central part of managing your MetaMask account. Now find Base under Additional Networks or search for Base. If you scroll through the list of networks, you should see Base listed there. Alternatively, if you have many networks, you can use the search function. Type Base into the search bar and the network should appear. This is a helpful feature, especially when you have multiple networks to choose from. Finding Base is the key step in connecting to it, so ensure it's clearly visible on your screen. Once you locate Base, select Add or the plus icon next to Base. This action will initiate the process of adding the Base network to your MetaMask wallet. It's a straightforward step, but it is significant because it integrates the new network into your wallet. When you click Add or the plus icon, a prompt may appear confirming your action. This confirmation ensures that you're making the intended changes to your wallet settings. Now confirm the network addition. After selecting Add, you might need to confirm your choice in a pop-up window. This step usually includes a brief overview of the network you are adding. Review this information to ensure it is correct. This confirmation is vital because it finalizes the addition of the Base network to your wallet. Once confirmed, you will see a message indicating that the network has been successfully added. This reassurance helps you know that you can now access the Base network. Next, select Base when you want to use the network. After adding the network, return to the Networks menu. Click on it again and you will see Base listed among your available networks. Selecting Base allows you to switch your wallet to this network. This step is crucial as it enables you to interact with dApps and perform transactions on the Base network. Once selected, you will notice your wallet updates to reflect the Base network settings, confirming that you are ready to use it. With these steps, you have successfully set up the Base network on MetaMask. You've opened MetaMask, navigated to the Networks menu, found Base, added it, confirmed the addition, and selected it for use. Each step is important for ensuring that you can engage with the Base network effectively. Now you are fully equipped to explore the many opportunities that the Base network offers. Thank you for following along and happy transacting.